All right, this is the latest child lock concept for the 48 count retail. So here is the front, same as it sits on the shelf currently. And then going into the back is where we have our child lock features. So customer still would tear from the peel and stick, reveals the pods inside and these tabs, which are key to our feature here. So it'll back fold them. Then it is fed through and pulled until they engage. And then it's kind of locked in there. Then to undo it, you fold them back and then push up and through. Grab your pod, then fold and close until they engage again.